20 years old, still suffering from acne.
How did we get this far?
And right now, don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell to get an alert on my new videos.
How did we get
I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. I've actually been waiting to break out, which is funny, but I've been waiting to break out and I'm breaking out. And so I'm going to show you my remedies on what I do and what I use to clear my problem areas. So my problem areas are forehead, my chin, and my cheeks. Over here it's really clear, no bumps, that's just the acne marks. But right here I'm breaking out, my chin I'm breaking out, and of course the forehead. Let's get to it.
So, to start off this whole process, I'm going to take my African black soap, which helps clarify and cleanse, and my facial brush, which helps deep cleanse and scrubs dead skin. I really like this facial brush because it's really soft on the skin. It doesn't scrub as hard, but it still gets the job done. Now, after scrubbing, I'm going to rinse my face off with warm water. Then I'm going to take my microfiber towel and gently dry my face. I'm going to take my facial mist, which contains witch hazel, as a toner, and then the tea tree oil kills bacteria, treats acne, and is a skin rejuvenator. All I did was spray it onto a cotton round and apply it onto my face.
when we wake up and then we make love? It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the salad I take from the heavens.
And as you can see, it picked up the leftover dirt that I had left on my face. Now I'm going to take my Aloe Vera Gel, which decreases inflammation and redness. It helps moisturize and it kills bacteria. Apply either shea butter or cocoa butter. They both help moisturize, fade dark marks, hydrate, and rejuvenate. And last, holy grails of holy grails, is the vapor rub. It's an anti-inflammatory, antifungal, treats acne, reduces swelling and redness. For easy application, I'm going to take my cotton swab and just apply the vapor rub onto the acne site itself.
So this is night number 2 of my acne routine. So this is day 3, morning of day 3. As you can see, my acne marks are starting to get smaller and eventually go away. I'm gonna do the same thing I did last night. I have a bump right here. This bump over here went down. All the little bumps right here went down except this one. It's a mark, but that'll go down, and I still have this one bump right here. Other ones started to pop up throughout the week, but I'll continue doing my regimen and my face will clear up. So what's up? Just wanted to pop in to show y'all how clear my face has gotten since the first day of showing y'all my skin routine and my breakout. As you can see, my face is clear. No acne bumps except this popped up this morning. I'm like, where did you come from? Like, but it's gonna get taken care of with this acne routine. We'll say that because I've used something doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. Everyone's different. If it works for you, that's good. If it doesn't, find something that'll work for you based on your skin, based on what you can and can't use on your face, and working off that. Also doing research. I did rigorous research, and I'm so glad that it was not taken in vain. It's actually working. Yes, but I just need to find something that'll help fade my acne marks without using bleaching cream, because I tried using bleaching cream and it changed my skin texture. I know that kind of sounds weird, or if this happened to you, comment down below. But if you know something to use to fade out acne marks, please comment down below, because I need you guys to like ASAP. Like this gotta go. This gotta be taken care of now. Like 20 years old, still suffering from acne. Like, it should be a cutoff limit. Like, my whole life? Like, it's like my whole life, really? But hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and see you guys in my next video. Deuce.